Hi guys, today I'm going to bring you to the gyms, and here is the workout place I'm coming to every day. And today I'm mainly focused on the glute workout and the legs. So are you ready? Let's start.
The first exercise I do is Smith Machine's leg press. Lie on the floor underneath Smith Machines and place bottom of it against bar. Extend your legs up in line with your hips and hold on to the floor flexibility. Inhale and bend your knees towards chest to lower the bar with control. Extend legs to press bar back up and keep your upper body stationary as you lift. Repeats for the next rep. After the first set of leg press, I will do a hip thrust to body weights, assisting with the Smith Machine's bar. Place my legs against the bar and push my hips forwards. That will be controlled and held to strengthening my core muscle. I will do it 8 to 10 reps for 4 sets, leg press and the hip thrust body weights. The next exercise is Smith Machine's back squat. We do 8 to 10 reps, total 4 sets. Stand in a Smith Machines with the shoulders width stance and the bar across your shoulder and straps. With your chest high, keep your head forward and maintain the arch in your back. Bend at the knee and hips as if you are sitting back in a chair until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Then reverse to the motion by driving through your heels and pressing your hips forwards to return to the starting positions. Repeat for the reps. The next exercise is Barbell Deadlifts. We do 8 to 10 reps and 3 sets. Grab the barbells with an overhead grip that's just beyond shoulder width and hold it at arm length in front of your hips. Bend your knees and lower your torsos until it's almost parallel to the floor. Pause, then raise your torso back to the starting position. The next exercise is Barbell Hip Thrust. We do 8 to 10 reps for total 3 sets. Begin seated with your back against a bench. Place the barbell on your hips. Place your shoulder and upper back on the bench. Lift your hips up from the ground until they are aligned with your shoulder. Pause to 2 to 3 seconds at the top. Then I'll do the glute bridge with body weights. Raise your hips so the body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Pause in up positions, then lower your body back to the starting position. The next exercise I do is knee and cable kickback. Position a bench in front of a low pulley cable station. Knee your left leg on the middle of a bench and position your hands under your shoulders. Extend your right leg forward, keeping your knee unlocked. Bring your leg back behind you until it is fully extended. Ensure that you do not hyperextend your back as you pull against the weight. Contract your glute. Hold for 2 seconds, then slowly return back to the starting position. Then we quickly change to the other side to perform the same reps. We will perform 10 to 12 reps and total 3 sets in both legs. The next exercise I do is lying leg curls. I'll do this exercise in a leg extension machines. So first we exhale and flex your knees, pulling your ankles as close to your buttock as you can. Keep your hips firmly on the bench. Hold briefly. Inhale as you return your feet to the starting position in a slow and controlled movement. Bulgarian split squat. Rest your feet with your toes on the bench. Engage your core stabilized muscle, keep your body upright and your head facing forward. Gently lower your rear knee almost to the floor while breathing freely. Slowly strengthen your front legs to the starting position. Switching to the other legs with the same number of reps. We'll perform 10 to 12 reps and total 3 sets in both legs. Usually I'll do 1 or 2 upper body exercise while I'm doing my lower body workout, and today I'll choose the incline dumbbell bench press to finish my workout. So this exercise total will do 6 to 8 reps and 3 sets in total. So that's all of today. Thank you for watching.